Are you ready to transform your rose garden into a blooming paradise? Discover the secrets to perfect rose pruning and watch your garden flourish like never before. Pruning roses isn't just about cutting branches. It's about encouraging new growth, shaping the plant, and preventing diseases. Let's dive into the essentials. Timing is everything. Prune your roses in early spring before the blooms set. This ensures your roses get the best start for the growing season. Always prune at a 45-degree angle above a bud eye, angling downward on the opposite side. This technique promotes healthy growth and beautiful blooms. Protect yourself. Wear thick gardening gloves, canvas pants, and a long-sleeved shirt to avoid thorn pricks and potential infections. Start by removing dead, woody canes and any broken or diseased wood. This opens up the plant for better air circulation and light penetration. Don't forget the less obvious canes. Prune spindly shoots and those extending beyond your desired shape to maintain a balanced, vase-like structure. Different roses have different needs. Know your rose type, whether it's a once bloomer or a repeat bloomer, and prune accordingly for optimal results. For new growth, make clean cuts at a 45-degree angle, about 1¼ inch above an outward-facing bud. This shapes the plant and encourages outward growth. Seal major cuts with white glue to protect against cane borers. Your roses will thank you with a season full of vibrant, healthy blooms. Outro, ready to see your roses thrive. Follow these tips and watch your garden transform. Happy pruning. Bloom with confidence.